Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are going to walk through how to apply an e-visa for tourism to Kyrgyzstan. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, when it comes to applying visa, more and more countries are going towards Kyrgyzstan. And this is really good because now uh, it's very simple to apply, get processed, and if granted, you can travel. So let's proceed, guys. So guys, in front of you, I have opened the official Kyrgyzstan e-visa site. So when you come to it, you can click on apply for a visa. Here you need to select your passport country, and this wizard is also going to tell you if you need a visa or not, because some country citizens can enter without a visa. Let's say you're from India, Indian passport holder, and your purpose of travel is for tourism. Okay, so you say tourist. You need a single entry visa. You have 1 month, 2 months. I select 2 months. So it shows you the fee. So it's 61.80 USD, and in their currency, this is the amount. If I select one month, this is gonna be the case. We have multiple entry also, but there's a flat fee. Probably that's why they don't show it. All right. So we need to select this. Next. Okay. Now here you need to put your details. First is surname. So I'm just putting sample. You need to put as per your case. Date of birth. Wow. Wow. Yeah, this way is better, faster. So anything, I just put it. Passport number, sample, guys. You guys be very careful because a lot of people do minor mistakes in these fields and then later they struggle a lot. So don't struggle with this, guys. I mean, you can verify before you submit and make sure you are not doing any mistake. Email address is important where they will send you the email. So I'm going to put an email address and then I'm going to complete this captcha. Then I'm going to click on next and then I'm going to see you guys. So guys, what happens? You get the email with a link. When you click on the link, it takes you to the next stage. So additional data, phone number. I just put sample, but you goes. You go by, and when you point your cursor on it, it's going to show you the instruction help text. Place of stay, whatever. Purpose of visit. You need to put as per your case, guys. Don't go by what I am doing because I am putting sample. You need to put the exact thing. Planned date of entry. Of course, I'm not gonna submit the application. Let's say we are gonna enter June 2. Date of exit. Uh, have you visited in past 5 years? I select no. Visa application to the Republic been rejected. If yes, please indicate the date. I'll select no. Okay. Now it is asking for photo, passport scan, any other optional documents that you want to add. So let me see if I can bypass this page and I'll see you next. Okay, so I was able to bypass that. So here in this page, you see all the data, and at the bottom you click next where you go and pay the fee. And from there, the process goes further. So of course, I'm not going to do that, but you got the idea. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.